How can we adapt to future climate change in the polar regions? How can we adapt to future climate change in the polar regions? This is a pressing question as these areas face rapid changes due to global warming. To tackle this challenge, we need to consider both mitigation and adaptation strategies. Mitigation focuses on reducing the causes of climate change. One key approach is the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar power, is essential. Improving energy efficiency in homes and businesses also plays a significant role. Another important aspect of mitigation is reducing black carbon emissions. Black carbon comes from sources like diesel engines and wood fires. It darkens snow and ice, causing them to absorb more sunlight and warm up faster. Local efforts to cut down on these emissions can have immediate benefits for the environment and public health. Now, let's talk about adaptation strategies. One effective method is enhancing ecosystem resilience. This can be achieved through initiatives like creating networks of marine protected areas. These areas help ecosystems withstand the stressors brought on by climate change. Adaptive management practices, such as monitoring fish populations and adjusting fishing policies, are also vital. Strengthening governance and cooperation is another key strategy. Organizations like the Arctic Council work to bring together nations and local communities. Establishing co-management arrangements allows local voices to be heard in planning and decision-making processes. As climate change impacts grow, we must invest in infrastructure and community support. This means allocating budgets for building climate-resilient infrastructure. For example, structures need to withstand rising sea levels and thawing permafrost. This is crucial for maintaining public services and ensuring safety. Improving climate modeling is essential for predicting future changes accurately. Better models allow for more effective planning and adaptation strategies. Engaging local communities in these processes ensures that adaptation efforts meet their specific needs and cultural contexts. International cooperation is necessary to address the global nature of climate change in the polar regions. Collaborative efforts among nations can lead to more effective solutions. By combining these strategies, we can better prepare for the challenges posed by climate change in these sensitive environments. In summary, adapting to future climate change in the polar regions requires a mix of mitigation and adaptation strategies. By focusing on reducing emissions, enhancing ecosystem resilience, and investing in infrastructure, we can work towards a sustainable future for these vital areas.